The COVID-19 outbreak in 2019 has taken over the world by storm, infecting over 359 million people and killing over 5.6 million of those people. Since then, we have had to quickly develop a defense against the virus in order to protect ourselves. But do we have the best solution? I'm going to be talking about the future vaccinations and what the current research looks like. Let's start off with what we have available: intramuscular vaccinations. We have to be thankful for the reduction in transmission that came from the quick rollout of these vaccines from Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, and AstraZeneca. These quick rollouts of vaccines allowed the herd immunity process to begin and protected many lives. We know that many people have gone out and received their COVID-19 vaccines and booster shots, but these intramuscular vaccines only target the spike protein in the COVID-19 strain and induce neutralizing antibodies, which is not as effective for VOCs. Along with this, these vaccines only induce systemic immunity, which is less effective than mucosal immunity at eliminating the virus. This means that these vaccines and booster shots may become less effective as time goes on. So how do we battle VOCs while still protecting ourselves from the ancestor strains of COVID-19? One of the best ways is through the use of intranasal vaccinations. A recent article by researchers at McMaster University found that by using human serotype 5 and chimpanzee serotype 68, they were able to create an intranasal vaccine that induces mucosal and systemic immunity, which is resistant to ancestor SARS-CoV-2 strains and 2 variants of concern. Why is mucosal immunity important? Mucosal immunity is important because mucosal vaccines induce a stronger T-cell response in the mucosa of the body and produces superior airway T-cell responses over intramuscular vaccinations. Along with this, intranasal immunization also induces trained airway macrophages. Since the mucosa is the first protective barrier against viruses, this allows intranasal vaccines to train the first barrier to be stronger and help battle newer variants of concern. So that means we don't have to update the vaccine as much and receive less booster shots. However, it is important to keep in mind that this is still very new research, and further studies and testing is necessary in order to fully explore its potential. Nevertheless, the promising results we have seen so far shouldn't be ignored. We must continue to support and invest in scientific research that can lead to the development of more effective vaccines and treatments, ultimately saving countless lives. So let us stay informed, stay curious, and continue to support the incredible work of scientists and researchers as they strive to make the world a healthier and safer place for all. Thanks for watching.